How to add and make and create party page on Google Sites. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create party page on Google Sites easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Click here on template gallery and scroll down to small business and you will find holiday party. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now here, as you can see, you will be able to change all those informations from the pictures like this. Click on the picture, click here and click replace. You can also change the text and everything from here. Very easy and fast. You can also change the picture. After you finish, click publish. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.